Morning class 8. This is a revision exercise for exponent. Okay, we know that this chapter already completed, already we done. Okay, but now just for your examination, just we revise the all the topics. Okay, so revision. First of all, you learn all the basic formula of the exponent. We know that. Okay, learn some laws related to the exponent, laws of exponent. What are the laws? First of all, we know that when anything is given this manner, this is called base and the power is called power or exponent. Done? So first formula, when two similar base are given in the term of multiplication with the different exponent, so the formula is a m plus n. That means power getting what? Added. We know it very well. Okay, just this is revision class for betterment for examination. A m divided n, that means what? When you need two similar base with the different power in the form of division, so at that time power getting what? Subtract. Okay, third point, any base with the power 0 is given, so the answer is 1. Okay, any base. Number 4, any base having the negative power, so for getting the positive you reciprocate it. Okay, number 5, again the power is what? In the denominator the power is negative. For the reciprocate, that means this getting numerator and the power getting plus. Okay. Okay, now suppose base, this is also power and this is also power, that means this both the number getting what? Multiplied. Okay, next, suppose the number is given in the root and here is given any power. Okay, when this bracket is open, that means m to the power n. Suppose not anything given in the bracket. Okay, just here is n. So when this open, nothing is given, that means 1. So 1 to the power n when this bracket is open. Okay, when these two base with the different power given in the is equals to form, so this one cancel, that is value of m is equals to value of n. When this thing is given in equal to quotient, that means this power cancels, so this one is equals to quotient. Okay, note it down. Just we do some kinds of sums for check it out. Okay, the mental math portion, you see the mental math portion is given in your number line book. Okay, mental math portion, number 1 is find the value of x if y into divided by y cube into y to the power 4 is equals to y to the power 2x. Then find the value of x. So first of all, we know that from the Bodmer's rule that division is the first form. So first of all we will divide this. Okay, that is y into y. When you change the division sign, that means multiplication, and we change the sign from division to multiplication, this number getting reciprocate. So this one getting reciprocate. Okay, into y to the power 4 equals to y to the power 2x. So you see y cube, that means y into y. So this y cube cancel all these threes. Okay, so what we get here, y to the power 4 is equals to y to the power 2x. So y cancel, what we get here, 4 is equals to 2 to the power x. So therefore x equals to 4 upon 2, that is 2. Okay, note. Now question number 2, find the value of x if y into y square y cube y to the power 4 y to the power 5 whole to the power x equals to 1. Okay, first of all, nothing power, no power is given here, that means 1. Done. And we know that if the same base are given in the multiplication form with the different exponent, so the power getting add, we know that. Okay, the first formula is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 to the power x equals to 1. So y 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15 to the power x. Okay, here is 1 given. In place of 1 we write down y to the power 0, because we know now that any base with the power 0, that means 1. Okay, so y 15 multiply x, that is 15x equals to y 0. So this y cancel, so we write down 15x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 by 15, that is 0. Okay, note. Okay, question number 4, state the numericals value. So question is given for a portion, that is 4 by 5 to the power 3 into 4 to the power minus 3 into 4 to the power 5 to the power 0. You see, same base is given, and we know that very well during the same base all the power getting add. So 4 to the power 5 3 plus minus 3 plus 0. So 4 to the power 5 3 plus minus 3 plus 0. So 4 to the power 5 3 minus 3 is 0. So we know that any base with the power 0, that means 1. Okay, note. Now 4b, 2 to the power 3 3 power 0 2. Okay, first of all we know that here is given 2 to the power 3. When 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0. So 2 to the power 3, this getting 2 multiply, so this one getting 0. And again power is given what? 2. So 2 to the power 3, when 0 multiply 2, that is again 0. So we know that any base with the power 0, that is 1. Okay, question number C, 4 to the power 2 divided 2 to the power 4. Division is not possible if we don't have the same base. So first of all we convert this number in the form of 2. So we know that in place of 4 we write down 2 square, and this 2 again is written here, divided 2 to the power 4. Okay, in place of 4 we write down 2 to the power square, because we know that 2 square is 4, and this 2 is here, divided 2 to the power 4. So 2, this power getting multiplied 4 divided by 4. So 2 divided 4 by 2 divided 4 is equals to 1. Okay, note. Question number 5, write 3 to the power minus 2 and 4 to the power minus 5 using positive exponent. So you see, For positive exponent, we know that reciprocate, that means the numerator portion comes to the denominator and the denominator portion comes to the numerator. So this getting positive exponent. Question number 6. Simplify -5 into -5 to the power -1. So this is -5. Okay. This -5 having the value what? Having the power -1. So we know that this is negative number, and for positive, when we doing this number positive, that means this number getting reciprocate. So 1 upon -5, this sign not change. During the reciprocation only the power sign change, this power getting +1. Okay. So you see -5 into 1, that is -5, and -5 to the power 1, that is -5. So -5 cancel, that is 1. Now question number 7. Simplify 10 to the power -3 into 3 10 to the power 8 to the power 2. So you see 10 to the power -3 into this power for everyone, that is 3 square, and this power for this one also, that means 8 into 2, that is 16. Okay, this is same base. So we know that during the same base, what the power getting plus. So 10 minus 3 plus 16 into 3 square. Okay, so 10 minus 3 plus 16, that is 13 into 3 to the square. So the answer is 10 to the power 13 into 9. Okay, note. One more question. If x equals to 3 by 2 square into 2 by 3 to the power -4, find the value of x to the power -2. Okay, if x is given 3 by 2 to the power square, okay, and this one given 2 by 3 to the power -4. Okay, this is -4. When we change this minus form into plus, that means negative into positive. So this number getting reciprocate. So this one getting 3 by 2 to the power 4. So x equals to same base and in the multiplication form, and we know that during the multiplication the power getting plus. So x equals to 3 to the power 2 power 6. This is getting the value of x, but the question is find the value of x to the power -2. Okay, so in place of x we write down 3 to the power 2 6, because we have the value of x equals to 3 to the power 6, and this one is given extra, that is -2. So 3 to the power 2, 6 into 2, that is -12. And for the positive exponent we write down 2 by 3 to the power 12. We know that this is negative. For the positive reciprocate, that is 2 by 3 to the power 12. Okay, note.